Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're making a leafy green smoothie for weight loss. For this smoothie you will need some leafy greens, apples, some fresh lemon and some fresh celery, diced cucumbers, freshly peeled ginger, pumpkin seeds and some water. First I'm going to add in all my ingredients into my speed blender. First goes in my leafy greens. Next my apples. After that my fresh celery and my fresh lemon. Next my cucumbers and ginger. And finally my pumpkin seeds and water. I'm now going to cover and blend. This smoothie is very beneficial for weight loss and help with getting vital vitamins into your body, such as vitamin A, C and K. We are now coming to the end of the video. Kindly like, share, comment and please subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.